Zuniga, inviting all of you who are watching the Messiah short films to please come to this new place. It's very, very new. In fact, di pa po lahat gawa. This is called the Little Theater here in Cebu. The NA, we call it the NA Scholars.
Okay, good.
And we support them because they are very, very talented, and they need your encouragement, they need your inspiration so that they can move on and share their talents with you. This, I believe in the Cebuano talent, not only music-wise, but the voice of the Cebuano is something, it's a gift from God, really. So support these kids and sing with them every time they have a show. Okay? See you guys.